This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Ford Ranger air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Slide out the safety tab, then disconnect the electrical connector from the mass airflow sensor. Loosen the hose clamp, then disconnect the air inlet tube from the filter housing cover. Detach the two cover retaining clips, then lift off the cover. Lift out the air filter element. Vacuum out any remaining dust or debris from inside the filter housing. Install the new filter element into the housing, making sure it's evenly seated. Install the filter housing cover by first inserting the tabs into the housing slots. Then, connect the intake tube, push down on the filter cover, and secure it with the retaining clips. Connect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector and push the safety tab inwards. Tighten the intake tube hose clamp securely, but avoid over-tightening it.